Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. We're here today on a 85 F150 300 straight cylinder. This is the 4.9 liter straight six. And what we're doing today is power steering. So as far as I know, this power steering has never been removed. So it's been on here for what, 30 some odd years. And it's time to go. It's whining, it's making those noises. It's not holding fluid. You can see there's fluid in the cap here. I'll have to inspect that to make sure we don't need a new cap. Hopefully the new one comes with it. What you'll need to do this job are pretty much very basic tools. So I have a 9/16 ratchet and I have a 5/8 flare wrench. So the 5/8 flare wrench will go to your inlet hose here. Take that off. I've already loosened it up. I've got my handy PB blaster, and I've got a pry bar here, or leverage bar rather. All right, so now let's see what the new pump looks like. So with COVID going on, I'm doing all my ordering online, so it just comes to me, and then I do it whenever I have time to do it. So let's see what we got here. So this is the pump. It does not have the pulley, and it does not have the cap. So that tells me I will have to remove this animal. I've got to pull the pulley off, and I've got to reuse the cap or go buy a new cap. So that's what we're about to do. So let's go ahead and take this thing off and we'll see. I know there are places you can buy these pumps, and I have a catch can underneath to catch this power steering fluid that's about to run out. It needs to be changed anyway, so it's, oh wow, there's not any in there. Well, that would explain why she's whining. Let's see what the cap looks like. Stuck on there. Come up there. Cap appears to be fine. Huh. Set that out here out of the way. We'll go ahead and take this bad boy off. I've got, oh, I guess I should show you this. So the two main bolts holding this bracket on are this bolt and this bolt, and that obviously lets me have enough slack to just drop the belt off. Can't believe this thing is just out of fluid. But we're gonna go ahead and change it anyway. Alright, so here's our pump. And it looks like we've got one return line here that appears to be a little tiny flathead, or maybe a 3/8. So let's check her out. I didn't bring a 3/8. Got a few other toys going on in here. Yamahas, Hondas, we like toys. So we will grab a 3/8 and I've got an extension. It's time to wash vehicles. Oh no, it's smaller than a 3/8. Did I grab a 3/8? I did grab a 3/8. Okay. Maybe it's a... Got so used to millimeters, I forget what the standard versions are. So it'd be 5/16, 3/8. So that would make it a 5/16, also equal to an 8mm. I hope I'm recording this right. Five sixteenths and 8mm, so close. I've used them interchangeably on numerous occasions. Alright, and I should have got a little pick tool, pry bar, flat screwdriver to peel that off of its little outlet. One more trip in here. We may make several more. Who knows? And then we may go for a ride on the little Grom. That'll be fun. It'll be fun, they said. Happy little Groms. Alright, so we'll grab one of these little pick tools. And that should be good.